Ever found yourself staring at your phone, waiting for that verification complete notification, wondering if you're stuck in some digital limbo? Specifically, when it comes to Beforepay, that nagging question always pops up: how long exactly does it take to verify your identity? We've all been there. You're in a pinch, maybe need a little boost before payday, and Beforepay seems like the perfect solution. But before you can access those funds, there's that crucial step: identity verification. And let's be honest, waiting can feel like an eternity. Now, Beforepay aims to streamline this process, but the actual time frame can vary. Why? Well, it's not as simple as flipping a switch. There are several factors at play. First off, the accuracy of the information you provide is paramount. If there are any discrepancies between your details and what's on your official documents, it's going to slow things down. Think typos, incorrect addresses, or mismatched names. These little hiccups can trigger manual reviews, adding to the overall processing time. Secondly, the volume of applications Beforepay is handling can impact the speed of verification. During peak times, like the end of the month or promotional periods, you might experience a slight delay. It's like waiting in line at a busy store; everyone needs to be served. Thirdly, the system Beforepay uses relies on automated checks with various databases. These checks, while usually quick, can sometimes encounter technical glitches or delays from external providers. These are things outside of Beforepay's direct control. So, what's a realistic time frame? Generally speaking, Beforepay aims to verify your identity within minutes. In many cases, it's almost instantaneous. If all your information is correct and the system is running smoothly, you might get that verified notification in a flash. However, if there are any issues or manual reviews are required, it could take a bit longer, possibly a few hours or even up to a business day. It's important to remember that Beforepay, like any financial service, needs to adhere to strict regulatory requirements. This involves thorough checks to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your information. To help speed things up, make sure you double-check all your details before submitting. Use clear, high-quality photos of your identification documents. Ensure the information on your documents matches your application exactly. Be patient. Sometimes, the system just needs a little extra time. If you're concerned about a delay, Beforepay's customer support is there to help. Reaching out to them can provide clarity and potentially expedite the process if there's a simple issue holding things up. Ultimately, while the goal is quick verification, the exact time can fluctuate. But by understanding the factors involved, you can manage your expectations and take steps to minimize potential delays. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.